Hello everyone. Today we have the question to analyze the output response of a second order system whose transfer function equal to 25 by s square plus 10s plus 25. And we have to determine peak overshoot, rest time, settling time, damping factor, natural response frequency using MATLAB software. Let's get started. First, we need to open our MATLAB software. Okay. As you can see, just go to your MATLAB, then open your MATLAB, then go to Simulink, then create a blank model. You will get a page like this where it will be written Simulink. Now simply start making the block diagrams. We need to give the step input first. So first search step input, then you will get the step input. Here you go. So you have the step input here. Now next you will have to give a summer, right? To give the feedback. So let's just give it as well. Summer. You will get this one. Just simply put it here and you got it summer here. Then we need to put the transfer function as given in the equation. Search transfer function. And you will get the transfer FCN, that is the transfer function. You will get the block diagram of transfer function. Next, of course, we need to have CRO, right? Scope, where we can observe it, right? So simply search scope. You will get this one and simply click it here. You got this. And now simply connect everything. You can also give the feedback here. Now, since we need to give the negative feedback, you just need to double click in the sum and you will get this option in which you will have 2 plus plus sign. You will have to change 1 to the minus sign for the negative feedback. Then simply click apply and then OK. Then you can see the sign has changed. Earlier there were plus plus, now it is plus and minus. Now simply as we had the equation as per the problem, we need to substitute the values here as per the numerator and the coefficient. So in the numerator we have 25, right? If you remember 25, and in the denominator we have 1s square space 10s space 25. Now click apply and OK. When you will do that, you will see the change here, right? Now it's written numerator by denominator. Earlier, there was 1 by 1 plus s, right? So it has changed. That means the equation is successfully fitted. Now, we need to give a workspace here. So to workspace, and you have this one. This is for all the results that we will be getting. Now, simply connect it with the scope so that the input and output can be retrieved easily. Here you can also change the variable name, which is not as important. Okay, like sim out, simulation output, you can write or whatever you need to. Let's suppose I will be writing out. Okay, out for output. Simply apply. As you can see, the variable name has changed. So output of out. Okay, we need to have another workspace. That's the to workspace, and simply you need to click the Simulink one, and you have this one. You need to give a clock here, and as you can see, you get a Simulink clock here, and yeah, now you can connect these two, another workspace, and you can connect the clock and the another workspace. As we are calculating the time response here, so you can also change the variable name as we did. So I can simply change the variable name from sim out to let's say t for time, then apply. Then okay, the variable name has changed and it is out. As you can see, I have given the out.t variable name and it will calculate the time responses. You can click run. When you will click run, you can see here you have the system compiling the block diagram. Once compiled, you can simply go to the scope and check the results. As you can see, we have got the result. This is the graph, which is the time response and the signal that we are getting from the transfer function. Now, we can just save the file here. The name appears here since we have saved the file. Now, after saving, to get the values of the desired questions like the settling time, rest time, and everything, we need to just write a simple one-line code and we will get all the results. Now, simply by clicking, you can go to your command window and select the file which you are using. I will simply click here, select this file, and simply write the code in the command window. Now we can find all the values from simply a line of code, that is step info, bracket open. First, we need to give out dot data. Since we need to get all the data, we will need to get the time response. We will write out dot t dot time, bracket close. Now you will see when I will press enter, we will get all the data. And finally, you will get all the answers: rise time, transient time, settling time, overshoot, peak time. So I hope you enjoyed the session and learned something new. Thank you.